Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing numerous industries, and space exploration is no exception. From helping scientists understand distant galaxies to improving the functionality of spacecraft, AI plays an essential role in pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve in space. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, optimize systems, and make autonomous decisions is becoming increasingly critical. In this video, we will explore the various ways AI is transforming space exploration, the challenges it helps solve, and how it will shape the future of humanity's reach into the stars. AI in autonomous spacecraft navigation. One of the key roles of AI in space exploration is the ability to guide spacecraft autonomously. Unlike Earth-based vehicles, spacecraft often operate in environments where real-time communication with Earth is not always feasible due to long distances. For example, the time delay in sending signals to Mars can range from 13 to 24 minutes. This delay makes remote control of spacecraft impractical. AI systems, equipped with sophisticated algorithms, allow spacecraft to make critical decisions on their own, such as adjusting their trajectory, avoiding obstacles, and responding to unexpected events. AI-powered navigation systems on spacecraft, like NASA's Mars rovers and deep space probes, have significantly enhanced mission efficiency. For example, the Curiosity rover on Mars uses AI to autonomously navigate the Martian terrain, identify points of interest, and even avoid hazards like rocks and cliffs. This capability increases the rover's autonomy, reducing the dependency on Earth-based commands and making missions more cost-effective and time-efficient. As missions venture further into the cosmos, AI's role in autonomous navigation will continue to expand, allowing spacecraft to perform complex tasks without human intervention. Artificial intelligence for data processing and analysis. Space exploration generates an enormous amount of data, far more than any human team could manually process. Satellites, space telescopes, and rovers continuously collect data from distant planets, stars, and galaxies. Traditional methods of data analysis cannot keep up with this flood of information, which is where AI comes in. AI algorithms, particularly machine learning, ML models, are capable of processing vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect. For example, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, launched to explore the deepest corners of the universe, uses AI to help process its complex data. AI algorithms are used to identify exoplanets, study the composition of distant galaxies, and even detect signs of life on other planets. Machine learning is also being used to analyze the data from telescopes and space probes to identify unusual cosmic events, such as supernovae or gamma-ray bursts. By automating data analysis, AI significantly accelerates the pace of discovery, helping scientists understand the universe in ways never before possible. Artificial intelligence for astronaut assistance and safety. AI's role in space exploration isn't limited to spacecraft. It also extends to assisting astronauts during their missions. In the extreme conditions of space, astronauts rely on AI systems for navigation, medical assistance, and mission management. One of the most promising uses of AI is in the development of virtual assistants. For example, the European Space Agency, ESA, is working on an AI-powered virtual assistant known as Simon, Crew Interactive Mobile Companion, for astronauts aboard the International Space Station, ISS. Simon helps astronauts manage tasks, provides information, and even interacts with them, reducing the stress and workload during long-duration missions. Moreover, AI can be used to monitor astronauts' health and safety. During space missions, astronauts are exposed to unique health risks such as radiation, muscle atrophy, and bone density loss. AI can analyze data from wearable devices and medical sensors to detect early signs of health issues, allowing for preventive measures or intervention. AI-powered systems can also assist astronauts in handling emergencies, guiding them through complicated procedures or troubleshooting equipment malfunctions. With AI on board, astronauts can perform their duties more efficiently while ensuring their safety during challenging space missions. Artificial intelligence in space mission design and optimization. The planning and design of space missions require the optimization of numerous variables, including spacecraft design, mission routes, and resource management. AI can improve mission planning by analyzing countless variables and predicting the best course of action. For instance, AI algorithms can simulate potential mission scenarios, helping scientists and engineers make data-driven decisions. These simulations can test various spacecraft designs, optimize propulsion systems, and predict fuel usage over extended missions. AI can assist in designing life support systems, managing energy consumption, and optimizing cargo storage. Additionally, AI can improve spacecraft reliability by analyzing previous mission data to predict failures and suggest upgrades. By using AI to optimize mission design and resource management, space agencies can reduce mission costs, improve efficiency, and increase the chances of mission success. Artificial intelligence for planetary exploration and resource identification. One of the most exciting possibilities for AI in space exploration is its role in planetary exploration and resource identification. Energy without interference from the Earth's atmosphere, weather, or the day-night cycle. AI algorithms can be used to optimize the placement of solar panels in orbit, monitor energy generation in real time, and manage energy transmission to Earth. By utilizing AI in these space-based solar projects, we can create a sustainable, constant source of clean energy that could power everything from cities to space stations. AI will help make space-based solar power a reality, bringing us one step closer to solving Earth's energy crisis while advancing our space exploration capabilities. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the role of AI in space exploration, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe for more exciting content about AI, space, and the future of exploration. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing stories from the world of technology and science.